Here's how to switch to free on TurboTax. So there's a couple different ways of switching products. It depends on what product you're on. If you go to Price Preview up here in the upper right, you're gonna see what product you're on. There's the do-it-yourself products. There's like Deluxe and Premium and Free. And then there's the, I believe they call it Assist or Expert Assist products. Those are a little different process to switch to free, but you can still do it. If you are on one of the do-it-yourself Deluxe or Premium products, in the lower left-hand corner, you're going to find Switch Products, and then you're going to find this Downgrade button. And so that's how you can switch to free, is by clicking Downgrade and going to TurboTax Free Edition. You're going to lose out on a few of the different things that Deluxe or Premium comes with, but if you don't need them, then you don't need them. Now, if you're on one of the Expert Assist modes, you're actually not going to see that Downgrade button. Unfortunately for you, there's clear and start over. That's how you can switch to free. And so you can go down here to Tax Tools and go to the Print Center. And you should be able to see your return or maybe even download it, print it, something like that. So you can see all the information you put in. But you will have to click clear and start over. And then I want to clear my tax data. And so after this point, it takes you back to the beginning. We can continue. And in the beginning, you're going to skip the questionnaire that is right after this lady. So you hit got it, and you skip this questionnaire because this is just TurboTax recommending you a product. You want them to recommend free. So we're going to say none of those apply, and we are comfortable doing our own taxes. And then we hit continue, and now you can start for free. So this is how you can switch to free if you're on one of those other plans, or you don't see the downgrade button. We can start for $0 just like that. And so we can start our return for $0. We start to answer these questions in whatever applies to you. I filed my own taxes, so I hit continue on that. But basically now we can actually start for free, and we're on the free edition. If there are any upgrade fees, that's just going to be because your tax situation means you're not one of the 37% or so of people that can file a simple return, which is fine. There is a coupon in the description down below for 20% off. A coupon. It's an affiliate link. I don't know why I said coupon, but it helps support this channel, full disclosure. But it does get you 20% off if you do have to pay any fees for your TurboTax products. That is how you can switch to TurboTax Free.